The garage is dimly lit, tools scattered on the concrete floor. A dusty 500cc two-stroke dirt bike sits on a stand, its old motor half removed. The mechanic, in grease-stained gloves, inspects the engine mount bolts. Photorealistic style, ultra-detailed textures, cinematic lighting. Close-up of the old engine on a workbench is scratched, carbon-stained, and leaking oil. A new, polished 500cc two-stroke motor sits beside it, glinting under LED shop lights. Shallow depth of field, sharp focus on engine parts. To friends lifting the heavy two-stroke motor out of the dirt bike frame with visible strain, sweat, and focus on their faces. Dynamic composition, motion blur, photorealistic muscle tension. A wide-angle shot of the garage mid-project, engine hoist, scattered parts, wiring diagrams pinned to the wall, and a laptop showing the swap tutorial. Organized chaos, gritty realism. First-person perspective, looking down at your greasy hands tightening the mount bolts on the new 500cc two-stroke motor with a torque wrench. Highly detailed gloves, metal textures, POV camera feel. Side shot of the new engine seated cleanly in the frame, perfect alignment, fresh gaskets visible. All bolts torqued to spec. Photorealistic finish, dramatic garage lighting. The bike's frame on a lift, with all fairings off. A labeled diagram in the background showing compatibility tweaks for the swap. Workshop realism, technical illustration overlays. A cinematic overhead drone-style shot of the full garage workspace, with friends working under warm light, beers on the bench, and rock music playing. Cinematic mood, storytelling atmosphere. Time-lapse frame concept, various engine parts assembling onto the bike, fading in and out to show progress. Sequential motion, build montage style. Close-up of the new carburetor and exhaust flange being bolted on, shiny fresh hardware. Cylinder bead, mechanics intense focus. Ultra-detailed metal textures, oil smudges on fingers. A friend giving a thumbs up as the engine fires for the first time. Exhaust smoke pouring out. Echo of the two-stroke roar inside the garage. Excitement, adrenaline, cinematic backlight through the smoke puff of riders sitting on the finished dirt bike, revving the engine, tachometer surging, exhaust crackling, vibration in the handlebars. Photorealism, motion blur, exhaust detail. Outdoor shot, the bike roaring through a dusty dirt trail for the first test ride. New motor screaming, dirt flying everywhere. Dynamic motion, intense send energy captured visually. Before and after comparison image, the old rusted engine next to the fully built, clean swap bike on a dirt hilltop. Split screen look, contrast and pride. A cinematic closing scene, the dirt bike parked under a sunset on a hilltop, gleaming new engine, proud builder beside it wiping hands on a rag. Emotional finish, storytelling closure, golden hour lighting. Let me know if you'd like matching visuals generated from these prompts or a YouTube short script around this motor swap build. 1. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most realistic and immersive visual experiences. Today, we're taking you into a garage where a skilled mechanic is hard at work on a 500cc two-stroke dirt bike. The garage is dimly lit, with tools scattered on the concrete floor, and a dusty dirt bike sitting on a stand, its old motor half removed. The mechanic, in grease-stained gloves, inspects the engine mount bolts. What makes this scene so captivating is the photorealistic style, ultra-detailed textures, and cinematic lighting that brings it to life. We've poured our hearts and souls into creating this immersive experience, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing visual experiences. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey into the heart of a garage where a skilled mechanic is hard at work. The garage is dimly lit, tools scattered on the concrete floor, creating a sense of authenticity. A dusty 500cc two-stroke dirt bike sits on a stand, its old motor half removed. The mechanic, in grease-stained gloves, inspects the engine mount bolts. We've captured this scene in our signature photorealistic style, with ultra-detailed textures and cinematic lighting, ensuring that every bolt, every tool, and every detail is brought to life. So let's dive into this scene and see how this mechanic is keeping this vintage dirt bike running like a dream. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting garage adventures. Until next time, keep those engines running. Hey there, fellow gearheads! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of mechanics and automotive engineering. Today, we're taking a closer look at a 500cc two-stroke dirt bike, a classic piece of machinery that's been around for decades. Our mechanic, clad in grease-stained gloves, is hard at work inspecting the engine mount bolts. The garage is dimly lit, with tools scattered on the concrete floor, creating a sense of authenticity. The bike itself, with its dusty appearance and half-removed motor, is a testament to the grit and determination of our mechanic. The photorealistic style, ultra-detailed textures, and cinematic lighting bring this scene to life, transporting us into the heart of the garage. So let's get our hands dirty and dive into the world of mechanics, where passion and precision come together to create amazing machines. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting automotive adventures. Until next time, keep those engines running!